Hi, it's Jez here from Nigezza.co.uk. Thank you for joining me today. I'm just here quickly to tell you about February's online class. Normally I do a product-based class and have an online version available as well. But this month it's just an online class. And so it's using painted poppies, but you could in fact use anything you wanted, any stamp set you wanted, and it's a sheet wonder, and it's hand stamping using this, a piece of whisper white, and then cutting it up according to my template, and you'll get 9 cards. So you will get the template, which will be in inches and centimetres for UK A4, which I also think's the same in Australia, and you'll get a template for 8.5 by 11 paper, so it fits the American market as well, and that will be in inches because I don't believe you use centimetres in the US. So from comments I get when people go, I'm so glad you work in inches. So yeah, so it will suit all sort of 3 sort of variables, and this is what I've come up with. These are my cards that I have made. So as I say, you get 9 in total, so that's those 2 are a variation on each other, these 2 are a variation on each other, and then the next 4 are slightly variations of the same sort of design, and then you always end up with a little bit left over, so I've even used the little tiny strip as well. You will get videos showing you how I stamped the DSP to create this. I was using, let me find the sheet. So I was kind of getting inspired by, well, sort of a mixture. It was like the colours in this one, and then I went and used some Pool Party as well, so it's kind of a mixture of those 2 sheets to create it. I've used different sentiments and different punches, no punches on quite a lot of them with it, but I've sort of done it in a way that you can do it yourself and create from whatever sentiments that you've got. So you will get a video on creating the DSP, 1 video to create these cards, another video that creates those 2, a video to create those 4 because they're all made in the same way, and then a final video for this one. Okay, so all the details for buying it and everything are over on my blog, so that will be linked up there or linked down below, and it is you get the PDF download with all the instructions, templates and photos, and then you'll get the links to the videos. Okay, so see you again soon. Oh, and the other thing is, anybody ordering from me this month will get a copy of the online class for free. So anybody who orders in February, I'm giving away the online class for free, and I thought it'd be a lovely Mother's Day present. And if you bought my Magnolia Blooms online class, in it I show you how to make this box, which holds cards. If I show you, this was the Magnolia Blooms card, another 1 sheet wonder, just a slightly different template, and as part of it you do a second hand stamped piece of DSP. So imagine that with this on top, it'd be gorgeous. And so the measurements and the video to make this box is in that class as well. Okay, see you again soon. Bye bye.